G'day, we're Ready Electrical and Air Conditioning, your local licensed electricians and air conditioning experts. Today we're doing a renovation. I'm going to show you through some electrical works we're doing here. Don't forget we do air conditioning, anything you like. We've got new switchboard, new subboard, new downlights, new power points, new ceiling fans, new smoke alarms, anything electrical you can think of. We're pretty much doing at this place. We've got data cables, internet, TV, the works. Let's go take a quick look at what we've done so far. So just above us here is our point of attachment. This is where the cable from the street attaches to your home. We've got a level 2 licensed electrician coming to do that tomorrow. We've run the cables from there to our new switchboard, which is just inside. So this is our main switchboard, the meter box, otherwise known as. We've got those cables running up until your point of attachment. We've got some other cables coming in for circuits, air conditioning, and our subboard. So subboard is a separate switchboard to the meter board. It allows us to put it anywhere else in the house, so you can turn on and off your circuit breakers if you have an issue without coming outside. It's going to be located just over here at the back of the garage. So they'll walk in, down, and switch it on and off as they please. Above us to the side here, we've got some PowerPoint cables already in. It's a big garage, so we've allowed for a lot of PowerPoints. Just over here we've got the new living area, so we'll just walk up the stairs and have a look at that. Alright, so here we are in the new living area. We've just started roughing today. We've got a few lights already roughed in up in the ceiling. We've got a fan roughed in. Got some switches roughed in. There's a new bedroom over there as well, which will be tomorrow's job. New bathroom here as well. So the things we're doing here, we've got power points, we've got downlights, we've got fans, we've got heated towel racks in the bathroom, we've got some spotlights, heat lights for the bathroom as well, garden lights out the front, we've got sensors for the front lights, we've got a security system at the front door. Anything electrical we can do, whether it's big, small, underfloor, in the ceiling, new builds, renovations. Give us a buzz by filling out the form on the website or 1300 #1 ready. Speak to you soon.